Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show Mustard Hilsa fish or Shorshe Ilish, which is most popular and delicious recipe among all the Hilsa recipes. It is an authentic and traditional Hilsa recipe of Bengali community. Let's see the ingredients. Hilsa or Ilish fish 4 pieces. White mustard 3 tablespoons. Red mustard 1 tablespoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Salt as per your taste. Mustard oil 2.5 tablespoons. Nigella seeds 1/4 teaspoon. Green chili 6 pieces. Please do not use other ingredients like onion, garlic paste, ginger paste, etc. Otherwise it will lose its own taste. Now let's start preparation. Add half cup water with white and red mustard. Soak it for 10 minutes. Add half cup water with these spices. Mix well. Spices with water is ready. Place white and red mustard seeds in a blender with clean water. Add 2 green chilies. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now blend it. See the paste, it is well blended. Place a fry pan over medium heat. Add 2.5 tablespoons mustard oil. Nigella seeds 1/4 teaspoon. 1 piece green chili. Stir it for 2 minutes over medium flame. After 2 minutes, now add spices with water which I have prepared before. Stir well for 2 minutes. Now place Hilsa fish. Cook the fish both sides for 2 minutes. Now add mustard paste. Add half cup water.
Now cook for 3 minutes. Add 5 pieces chilies which I have slightly splitted at the mouth. Flip over the fishes. Now cook for 3 minutes again. It's done. Now I will serve in a dish.
My delicious Mustard Hilsa fish or Shorshe Ilish is ready. The smell is amazing. This tasty and delicious Mustard Hilsa fish will definitely remind you the taste of cherishable and all big occasions.
Please cook Hilsa fish over medium flame and not more than 10 minutes. It is very simple recipe. It will need few ingredients and preparation time only 8 to 10 minutes.
Hope you like my recipe. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can ask me. I will reply. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.